Right, so this is not my typical video. Sort of, actually not really anything to do with Scott Bonners or renovating or anything like that. So basically what this video is about is I've purchased a new broadcast spreader. So purchased that from Turfmate. Turfmate, excellent shop. I've bought a couple of things from them now. The delivery is exceptionally fast and it's well packaged. It rocks up to your door in a couple of days. So also purchased some Tsunami. So this is a wetting agent. Now I've never actually used this wetting agent. It's very cost effective, I think. Now I know everyone's got their opinions and everyone likes their own brand and etc, etc. I've never used this brand. Also got it from Turfmate, so there you go. Wetting agents is a must if you've got turf. Actually, take a look at this. So I've got a screwdriver, it's probably 300mm long. So that goes all the way in. That's excellent. That's 300mm. So wetting agents definitely work. If you're not onto it, get onto it. So basically, anyway, back to the reason I'm gonna so I've purchased an Earthway 300. Actually, no, I'm wrong. Earthway 2600A. So yeah, it's actually the exact same spreader that Ben Sims has. If you watch his videos. So I haven't pulled anything out of the box, but let's do that together. So as you can see, pretty well packaged, all in one nice neat little box. So we've got some wheels, so pneumatic wheels. That's good. I like that. It's a good size. What else we got? So here's the hopper. It's Earthway. So that's a good size hopper. I like that. So the reason I've actually purchased this particular broadcast spreader is I'm actually going to make some modifications to it. Actually, not so much the spreader, but I'm going to build a sprayer that's going to slip inside this with a boom out the front, and basically I'm going to use it as a fertilizer and a sprayer. So I know if any of you guys watch Connor Ward, he does the same thing. I'm pretty sure he made his own, but I'm not sure. That could have been an attachment for his type of spreader. So that's the hopper. Bit of packaging. Alright, we've got a heap of parts in here. Definitely going to have to look at the instructions. Must be the spreader, or I don't know, the sprayer, the flicker thing. Must be the rear feed or the front feed or something. Various other brackets. So what's in here? We've got handlebar grips and nuts and bolts. So there's a fair bit of putting together on this, but that's alright, I can do that. So the box is empty. Set that aside. Get the instructions. Right. Who needs instructions? Let's bugger that off. Let's just do it. Righto. Open this. So handlebar grips. So various lengths, nuts and bolts and plastic grommets and screws. So maybe we should look at the instructions. I don't want to put a bolt in the wrong place or it's too short or something like that. Then we'll end up pulling it all apart again. Alright, so I am actually going to look at the picture here because there's a lot of different sized bolts and I don't really know where they're going. So we'll follow along with that anyway. So, alright, I think what we'll do is probably start with the main frame. Well, I guess that's really all it is, isn't it? And then we'll put the wheels on and put the hopper on last. Alright, so. Okay, so now there we go. It's all assembled. So it's an Earthway 2600A broadcast spreader. So first impressions, I'm fairly impressed. The wheels exceptional. Thoroughly, yeah, mate. They're solid. They're far exceeding the expectations there. So everything under here is sort of plastic. So the gearbox is plastic. That's sort of, I'm a bit hesitant on that. However, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it does last. I mean, I've paid a fair amount of money for this. One thing that I am concerned about, now I'm quite tall, and as you can see, I'm sitting on a chair. And the handles are basically where my knees are, so that's slightly concerning. So if I stand up, that's very, very low. So if I pick that up, I mean the whole bucket seems to be on a fair angle downwards. I suppose that's going to assist. I guess that will assist in getting the prill down into the turf opposed to it shooting upwards. So we'll see how that goes. You open and close. Well, that seems quite nice. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Anyway, guys. Like I said earlier, what I plan on doing is. What I plan on doing is making a spray attachment. So basically my idea is a bucket. Bucket's going to slip in there, so I'll probably have a taller bucket. I'll have a bucket with a lid. I'll probably mount a small pump on top of the lid, a battery, and then a switch up to the handle, and then a boom out the front here. So that's what I'm hoping to achieve. Whether or not I can do that, I'm not sure, but that'll be a future video anyway. So pretty happy with my purchase. Yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, so it's been just over a year I've owned this spreader now, and I'll tell you what, any concerns that I had at first, so one of my concerns was how low it was. Definitely has not made a difference. If anything, probably improved it. What that does is tilts the hopper down a little bit, and then the prill sort of shoots into the turf canopy, which actually does quite well. So hasn't been an issue, the height of it. Also the plastic gear down here, also not one issue with it. So definitely a very good spreader. I would highly recommend it to anyone. And my prototype for a sprayer. So I've sort of done a prototype. I think there's many things that need to be improved on it, and I probably will make a whole new one, and might do another video once I've done that, but just for you guys to see. Basically, this was what I was trying to achieve. So I've got a bucket, I've got a small pump, I've got a battery, and then I've sort of got a boom out the front. And all this just sits up in the bucket there, and you can walk around and spray. So it actually works quite well. Oh.